Hey, let's take a look at a special car that's just come in. This is a 1923 Rover Twin cylinder, air-cooled car. Can you imagine an air-cooled car? Well, Rover really had its roots in motorcycles and bicycles and things like that, so it's natural that one of its engines for its cars was going to be based on a motorcycle. Now, what's particularly interesting about this car is in 1923, things were roaring by then. Cars had come to the masses, and this car, being an economy car, was the most popular car for about 4 years until Austin came along. And this was a family car, so everybody could come along for the ride. The kids jumped in the dicky, mom and dad in the front. So let's take a look at the engine. Now, it's not like normal hoods on most cars. This actually is a three-piece bonnet. First, we take the sides off. So quite an effort to open the hood, as they might say here. And what we've got here is an opposing twin air-cooled engine. Now, it was rumored that these heads glowed in the evening when you drove this. Basic intake, gas tank above the engine, a wood separator between you and the engine. Quite a basic car, very popular. In just a few years, they made over 17,000 of these. The Rover was a pretty austere car. It didn't have gauges. It pretty much was clutch, brake, and shifter and steering wheel, and that's the extent of what controls and things that you had to operate the car. But it did have a nice little convenient top that you could easily put down when it was sunny or the moonlight was out to take a drive. We're going to be working on this car and hopefully have it running later in the season and take her for a drive.